Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your BNB from Trust Wallet to Bitmart for trading or staking. Don't worry, it's straightforward once you know the steps. I'm going to walk you through this process quickly and safely, so you can do it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Open the app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the BNB token. It's usually right there on the main screen since BNB is a popular asset. Next, head over to the Bitmart website or app. Log in to your Bitmart account and go to the deposit section. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. This will give you a unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go through without issues. Now, back in Trust Wallet, select your BNB balance and tap on the Send button. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount you're sending, and any network fees. Remember, in 2025, most transfers use the BNB Smart Chain for speed and low costs, so ensure that's selected. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review it one last time. After you approve, the transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm the arrival of your BNB. And that's it. Transferring BNB from Trust Wallet to Bitmart is simple when you follow these steps. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides in 2025. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.